I'm always on the lookout for the next great potato dish, and this one is no exception. If you like crunchy potatoes, this is going to be the one for you. Stick around. So take an inspiration from a pomme maxime, which is a thinly sliced layered potato bake. We're going to take that concept, a little bit of gratin, a little bit of dauphinoise, but then literally turn it on its head. Not that potatoes have heads, but you'll see what I mean, you'll see what I mean. So we're going to start with potatoes. This is about 1 kilo that will serve 4 to 6 people. Peel your potatoes and then slice them really finely. Either use your knife, take your time, take it easy, use a food processor like a Kitchen Whiz Pro, or use a mandoline as here. While you're slicing your potatoes, preheat your oven to about 180 degrees C, that's just under 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now tip them all into a bowl, give them a generous soaking of olive oil, add plenty of salt and pepper, and add some onion powder, about 1 teaspoon, and a big teaspoon of sage, dried sage. You could use any seasonings you want here, but I'm after these sage and onion potatoes that go really well with a roast chicken. You could add in paprika here, other herbs, it would all work great. Take a big pan that will go in the oven, get some baking paper, screw it up, lay it into your pan. Chuck your potatoes in, wrap them up well, and cover them with foil. You're now going to bake this for about 1 hour or until they're completely knife tender. And now here's the important bit. You've now got to leave them to rest and cool overnight. Now I've tried not putting the rest in, and unfortunately everything goes a bit sloppy and doesn't really hold together the way you need it to. So really make sure you get this done the day before. Then when it's cooled, pop something on top like a plate and then weigh it down. The next day, pop your oven back up to 180. Unwrap your delicious potato cake and it should have sealed together. All the starches will have formed a glue that keeps everything stuck together. With confidence, turn it out onto a chopping board. Now's the cool bit. You'll slice it about the width of your hand. It should be really easy to cut. Slice it into big, fat, long chunks. Now, flip them on their side and pop them back in the pan with the cut sides facing upwards. This means you get crunchy bits on the surface that you've already cooked. Now you're going to get some crunchy bits on the side as well. Pop this back in the oven, uncovered, for about 30 minutes or until crispy. I made a quick one here just for the purposes of this video. You can hear from that noise just how crunchy they are. And you've got all these lovely twisty twirly bits. I've just sprinkled them with salt. Let's give it a try. Superb. Soft in the middle, a bit like a chip, but all these layers of crunch, excellent. Just keeps giving and giving. It makes a great alternative to roast potatoes. And apart from the fact you need to start it the day before, I'd argue a little less faff. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Please give it a go and let me know in the comments below how you got on. If you can hit the like button, that will let YouTube know to share this video to other people. And in the meantime, I'm going to eat this.